The 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE63 AMG Coupe. The coupe crossover niche has been dominated by BMW's X6 since its introduction back in 2009, but that came to an end when Mercedes-Benz rolled out a coupe SUV of its own for the 2015 model year. Previewed by the 2014 Concept Coupe SUV launched at the 2014 Beijing Auto Show, the 2016 GLE Coupe, previously rumored to carry the MLC name, follows in the footsteps of the X6 by being a four-door coupe that rides on an SUV platform. With the GLE Coupe ready to hit the assembly line in early 2015, Mercedes-Benz unveiled its competitor for the high-performance X6M, the GLE63 AMG Coupe. Not surprising, the GLE63 AMG Coupe is designed around AMG's already classic recipe. The crossover receives a host of upgrades front to rear, including new bumpers, a revised exhaust system, and a set of lightweight wheels. AMG's tried-and-true, 5.5-liter, V8 engine with more than 550 ponies finds its way under the GLE's sheet metal, along with an enhanced suspension system. Read on for more details about Mercedes' brand-new performance coupe SUV. Updated 12 January 2015, the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLE63 AMG Coupe made its world debut at the 2015 Detroit Auto Show. Click past the jump to find out the official specs and details. Updated January 23, 2015, we've added a series of new images from the car's official debut at the 2015 Detroit Auto Show. Check the new images in the Pictures tab. Click past the jump to read more about the Mercedes-Benz GLE63 AMG Coupe. Update history. Updated 2 January 2015, the new Mercedes GLE63 AMG Coupe will be unveiled on January 12 at the 2015 Detroit Auto Show. The model should go on sale after the standard GLE hit dealerships in the spring of 2015. Mercedes-Benz Passion. Updated 8 January 2015, with just a few days before its official debut in Detroit, Mercedes unveiled a first teaser video for the upcoming GLE63 AMG Coupe. Check it out after the jump. Teaser video. Update history. Updated the 11th of December 2014, we have prepared a very nice rendering for you for the future GLE63 AMG. Check it out after the jump. Rendering. When creating the rendering we took inspiration from the standard version unveiled just yesterday. However, we added revised bumpers, a brand new set of 7-spoke twin split rims, bi-turbo badging with small air outlet on the sides and a chrome side step. Spy shots. December 3, 2014 Mercedes GLE63 AMG Coupe caught during winter testing. Exterior. The GLE63 AMG exudes aggressiveness through every pore, a feat we anticipated knowing what AMG usually has in store for basically every model in Mercedes' lineup. It's no longer a secret that the GLE63 AMG Coupe is here to give the BMW X6M a run for its money, and the sporty body kit has been designed accordingly. Compared to the regular GLE Coupe, the AMG boasts a redesigned front bumper that includes heavily revised air dams and a splitter-like piece down below. The main intakes feature black inserts on the sides, while a small AMG badge placed on the grille helps set the crossover apart. The rear fascia sports fewer changes, with only the apron featuring a different layout. The squared-off exhaust pipes are larger, and obviously noisier, on the AMG 63 Coupe, while the middle section has been remodeled into a diffuser piece with 4 fins. Naturally, AMG and GLE63 badges adorn the trunk lid. When viewed from the sides, the GLE63 AMG's lowered suspension, new side skirts, flared wheel arches, V8 biturbo lettering, 10-spoke, 21-inch wheels, and red brake calipers make yet another statement about the crossover's enhanced performance. Interior. The already luxurious interior of the GLE Coupe becomes even more exquisite with the AMG model, as well as a lot sportier thanks to a host of bespoke features. To enable drivers to enjoy the extra power coming from the massive V8, the GLE63 AMG Coupe comes with a pair of bolstered front seats wrapped in Nappa leather with contrast stitching, while the standard 3-spoke steering wheels has been replaced by a flat-bottom one with AMG badging. The latter is stitched in black Nappa leather with perforated grip area and fitted with paddle shifters. Updates continue in the dashboard area, which is covered in black Artico leather and carbon fiber inserts where wood is usually found on the standard crossover. The instrument cluster also boasts a bespoke AMG design consisting of 2 large round dials in carbon fiber look, AMG startup screen, manual gear indicator, and the race timer lap timer. Even more goodies come with the range-topping S model. Added features include a Dinamica microfiber grip area for the steering wheel, red scales for the dials, and high-grade, exclusive Nappa leather upholstery. Drivetrain. Being built on the same platform underpinning the new M-Class, the GLE63 AMG Coupe receives the tried-and-true 5.5-liter V8 and not the 4.0-liter 8-banger that debuted with the Mercedes-AMG GT sports car. That's not an issue though, as the mill delivers up to 585 horsepower and fuel economy is not something customers focus on when buying an AMG badged rig. As with most AMG vehicles, the GLE63 Coupe is available in 2 guises. The base model comes with 557 ponies and 516 pound-feet of torque, while the range-topping S model benefits from 585 horses and 560 pound-feet. The former needs 4.3 seconds to charge from 0 to 62 miles per hour, while the latter reaches the benchmark in 4.2 seconds, as quick as the 2015 BMW X6M. Naturally, the top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, on par with its Bavarian rival unless fitted with the 173 mph driver's package. The engine mates to an AMG tweaked SpeedShift Plus 7 G-tronic transmission and standard 4 MATIC, both aiding with those fantastic 0 to 60 mph times. The transmission comes with 5 different modes: slippery, individual, comfort, sport and sport plus, that meddle with the response of the engine, the shifting, ESP thresholds, power assistance for the steering, and the characteristics of the dampers for distinct driving experiences. Drivetrain specifications. Suspension and brakes. The GLE63 AMG Coupe is equally sporty when it comes to chassis components, as AMG is looking to take no prisoners once this crossover hits the street. An AMG Ride Control Sport suspension keeps the GLE63 AMG on its best behavior on both the road and the track, with an Airmatic package adding goodies such as an air suspension, special dampers, and automatic level control. The suspension is designed to provide either maximum ride comfort or sports car-like dynamics depending on the driver's selectable driving mode. Comfort mode enable the utmost ride comfort for smooth highway cruising, while Sport Plus turns this crossover into a menacing track beast. Prices. Since it's a direct competitor to the BMW X6M, we can expect the GLE63 AMG Coupe to carry a price tag of $100,000 to $110,000, depending upon trim levels, before options. Unfortunately, official pricing has not been released yet. Competition. BMW X6M. The Bimmer that launched the coupe crossover niche received an extensive update for the 2015 model year. New features include a revised front grille, a more aggressive front bumper, and revised taillights and exhaust pipes around back. The vehicle is also 20 pounds lighter than its predecessor, a significant improvement given the new X6 is now longer and wider. Under its hood, the second-gen X6M carries on with the same twin-turbo, 4.4-liter V8, but output increases to 567 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. Mated to an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission with DriveLogic, the 8-banger enables the crossover to reach 60 miles per hour from a standing start in just 4 seconds, making it faster than every 2015 M model except the M3 and M4 with the automatic transmission. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. The 2015 X6M has a starting price of $103,050, including destination and handling fee. Porsche Cayenne Coupe. Although not yet officially confirmed, the Cayenne Coupe is rumored to arrive for the 2016 model year as Porsche's answer to the X6. The crossover is expected to look identical to its full-size sibling, except for a sloping roof and retuned suspension and steering. Naturally, the coupe will borrow all the powertrains available with the regular Cayenne, including turbo the V8, and gasoline and diesel V6 powerplants. Likewise, the Cayenne Coupe should come available in all the trims currently offered for the regular Cayenne, including a hybrid version. The turbo versions will be most suited to take on the GLE63 AMG Coupe. Audi Q8. Audi is the latest German automaker to join the coupe crossover fun. The Q8 was announced on the sidelines of the 2014 Los Angeles Auto Show, and a launch is expected to occur in 2016. The Q8 is likely to be inspired by the Prologue concept and will ride on Volkswagen's second-gen MLB platform that it'll share with the Audi Q7, Porsche Cayenne, Volkswagen Touareg, Bentley's upcoming SUV, and the Lamborghini Urus. The Q8 will receive a range of V6 and V8 engines, most likely consisting of the company's 3.0-liter and 4.0-liter TFSI units, as well as the 3.0-liter TDI. Plug-in hybrid versions will also join the lineup, and word has it Audi wants an all-electric version of the crossover too. There's no word on a high-performance Q8 RS yet, but we'd be really surprised if Audi would allow BMW and Mercedes-Benz compete on their own in the high-performance department. Conclusion. Granted, the GLE63 AMG Coupe isn't the most alluring crossover as far as styling goes, but it's arguably one of the most important additions to the Mercedes lineup from a business standpoint. As the first crossover specifically created to give the BMW X6M a run for its money, the GLE63 AMG Coupe will provide answers to a lot of questions, including whether BMW can be overthrown in a niche it invented back in 2009. This merc could also determine other manufacturers to join the segment and turn it into a battlefield as popular as the midsize SUV market. Only time will tell if the likes of Porsche and Audi, and maybe GM and Ford too, will create their very own coupe-like crossovers, but until that happens, the GLE63 AMG Coupe has a Herculean task on its hands, one that will provide us with yet another BMW versus Mercedes clash. Love It aggressive body kit emphasizes the GLE's coupe-like appearance, impressive power and torque, all the goodies an AMG model comes with. Leave It won't arrive in dealerships until the 2016 model year. The X6M is still the undisputed king of this niche, strong competition coming from Porsche and Audi.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.